Y'all, I'm just going to tell you the truth. I am super excited about this PR package right here because it's from Good Molecules. I am so excited because your girl, you know I buy Good Molecules products for my skincare routines, and to have them send me over a package, what? She real excited. She real happy to see what they sent over. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Y'all, look at here. Look at God. Look at here. Look at here. Okay, I got a Good Molecules Hydrating Facial Cleanser. This is super nice. Oh my goodness. Girl, it might be a Good Molecules night tonight. What is Monday on my skincare routine? It's my hydration and brightening night. Oh my gosh. This is a hydrating cleanser. It says it's a gentle cleanser to leave your skin feeling balanced and hydrated. Let's pop it open and take a whiff, a sniff, and see what she smells like. See if she's got a scent to it. I can't really make anything out. No, it's great. It doesn't have a scent to it, which I'm glad. You know, a lot of times for the face, most of us prefer less scent of the product. So, cool bees. I'm so excited. Okay. And next we have a lightweight daily moisturizer. This is so amazing. I'm just too excited. I didn't show y'all the box. Sorry. This is the box here. And this is the product. Oh my goodness. I'm just so excited. I can't even get my stuff together. Hi, Royal. You got your kitty cat?
Kitty cat.
Yeah. There we go. A moisturizer.
Right here.
This is great. It feels good. Yes. Let's put it right there. I don't think I'm going to have room for everything, but we'll try. Then we have hyaluronic acid. I have bought this before myself, y'all. This is amazing. Amazeballs. Hyaluronic acid. Period. Girl.
Like kitty cat. Like kitty cat say.
Okay, now we have a niacinamide brightening toner. Perfection. Girl, we are happy. Thank you, Good Molecules. This is going to get real use from a real person that really loves Good Molecules products. Formulated with niacinamide, arbutin, licorice root extract to brighten and improve appearance of enlarged pores. I needed this so bad. And gosh, it's Monday, so I could use this for my hydration and brightness. I'm so excited. Nice. All right, I got 2 more items here. I have a gentle retinol cream. Bam. So I got something for every night of the week. Okay, this is a cream, baby. A retinol cream. Okay. Pop it open here, just like so. Ooh, she is cute. What you say? What you say? I'm so excited. And the last item is the Yerba Mate Wake Up Eye Gel. So that is that. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Good Molecules. The Yerba Mate reduces signs of puffiness and plump the appearance of fine lines. Girl, what? Who needs this? Me? Yes, let's open her up. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I'm super blessed. Thank you, Good Molecules. This is awesome. Awesome. We are going to rotate these into our current skincare routine. Good Molecules. See a difference in your skin, baby. Okay. And y'all, one thing about Good Molecules. Now, it is available. It says here Ulta, Target, and Amazon. I've been picking mine up on Amazon. And let me tell you this. I've been loving their products. And number one reason, they work. And number two, they're as affordable as you can get. Okay? Y'all check out Good Molecules. Why don't ya? So excited. It don't get no better than that, girl. I'm excited. Voila. There you go. Yes, baby. Yes.